Ayan guys, Gerald Anderson para sa Nobody kanyang teleserye. Pero para sa kanya, si
It's a
Julia
challenge
is
for everyone kasi
somebody.
we have to keep
Yan.
producing
Sa
good
kay
projects,
Julia.
quality projects. At pinapakita natin na paggawang Pinoy, papanurin pa rin yan eh, di ba? Laging, hindi naman kailangan Hollywood, lagi ko sinasabi ko, I think we have the best actors
Ayun, ang lupit. Totoo yan.
in the world kasi nga, with the given
Panoorin
situation,
natin
kung
ang
gano'n,
sariling atin.
budget-wise, syempre hindi naman kasing laki ng budget natin sa ibang bansa, oras, for airing, alam niya, Ate Marisa yan, lagi for airing, alam mo yan,
Meron
but we
tayong
always
album kay
produce.
Gerald
So,
Anderson.
yun, galing no?
Nobody.
Galing. So proud of her. Pinaghirapan niya yun. At I haven't seen it, pero sobrang galing daw niya. Yeah.
And proud din naman sa'yo si Julia.
Talaga?
Oo.
Bakit?
Dahil sa pagiging advocacy mo and yung ginagawa mo for the country. Pero ikaw ba nakikita mo na si Julia is not just nobody, kundi somebody na masasabi mo ng the right one?
Oh, wow! The right one.
Dahil dyan, last two questions.
Last two questions. Dahil sa'yo, Dere. Of course. 5 years na kami, di ba? But itong moment na to, yung moment na ngayon, let her enjoy. Huwag natin madaliin, huwag natin she's very special to me. Alam naman yun na lahat yan. Hindi naman magbabago yan. But this is her moment. It's long overdue. Para sa akin, she's one of the best, if not the best, sa generation niya. At marami pa siyang ipapakita